Welcome back to Decked Out John Boats and part 11 of the full John Boat to Bass Boat conversion. Today we get to do a little water testing. That's right, we built this whole boat and have never put it in the water. So come along with us and let's check out and see if this boat will float. At this point we have two 12-volt batteries on board, both in the back, and a 24-volt trolling motor. As you can see, the deck is pretty stable. Once you get a little more weight with the other two trolling batteries down in the bottom of the boat, it'll really help stabilize the boat. Start with, the boat was leaking a little around the drain plug. After getting that to seal up, we didn't see any more water in the boat.
Like 4.5 miles an hour. I don't see any other leaks. That's coming from up front. Oh.
For those of y'all that think that 2x2s aren't strong enough for the framing, comes the ultimate test. I weigh about 260 pounds. Let's see how the deck holds up. As you can see, the boat did float with no leaks. Now it's time to get back to work. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of the great videos coming up from Decked Out.